I love making tomatoes like this, a delicious recipe! For our recipe, we will need 1 tomato cut into slices. Then, with the help of a spoon, remove the core of each tomato slice. And finally, mince all the kernels. Take a moment to tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. Now in a bowl, add all our chopped tomato kernels, a little bit of fine herbs, 2 eggs, one tablespoon of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir to combine. To continue, in a pan on low heat, add butter all over the bottom. Then add all our tomato slices. And inside each slice, add 1 tablespoon of our tomato kernels mixture. Cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Then turn each slice over. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe, so like the video and write in the comments, "I love tomatoes!" And on top of each one, add grated mozzarella cheese. Rate our recipe from 0 to 10 so that we know how it's going. We would love to know. At the end, cover the pan just to melt the cheese. You guys, this tomato and egg dish is very easy to make and delicious. I'm sure everybody will like the result. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.